Welcome to Entrapass training provided by Viper Protection Services. We will be demonstrating the tab Users Badge. What we're going to be doing today is defining how you want your badge to look if you're using printable badges. So first thing is new. We're going to decide one side, two side. This depends on the printer in your badge in which you're using. Typically it's 337 by 212. You click OK. As you can see, you got the front side and the back side. To modify them, first thing we're going to do is to give it a name. Test 34. Then we are going to click here to modify the badge layout. Now, as you can see, it says front side, back side. On this, we're going to go to the layout, and we're going to just this is what you can do. You can swap sides, you can print, front side, back side, both sides, preview. Align, show the grid. What that'll do is that'll help you lay out your boxes or how you want it to lay. The layout, let me see here, alignment, align to grid. That means that when you put something on, it's going to be on the grid. And the grid settings. The grid width is 8. Typically we don't change those. Options, show properties on drop. So we're going to do this. We're going to put a rectangle. Okay. And here's the properties. We're going to make it orange. And then we're going to do solid, border width. And then we're going to click OK. And then we're going to take this and we're just going to grab this and make it like that. Alright. Then next, we're going to pick our card fields. If you click on that, you drop it here. Now this is where you get your picture. As you can see, you can pick all of these different properties for your picture. Click OK. We're going to put this right up here, right there, and then we're going to make it bigger. Okay. You know what? We're going to modify this a little bit. Right click, properties of border. We're going to make that width much bigger. Click OK. There we go. Now we're going to move this so that it matches the edges. So that puts it right there. You can do this however you want. Again, we're going to bring this down here. And what this is going to be, your card number. If you want that on there, you can put that in your card username. When you entered that information back in the users field, that's what comes up here. Now you can also pick how big, how small, however you want it to appear. Do you want it bold? Do you want it left? Do you want it center justified? And vertically center justified? And then word wrap. Click OK. I'm going to put it here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this so that it's all the way across the card. And in fact, you know what? Why don't we do this? Right click, card field properties. I'm going to horizontal left justify so that it's underneath the picture. Do it again. And then we're going to put, how about we put their department. Department, same thing. Left justified, center, word wrap. And we're going to bold it. Click OK. We're going to put that right here. And then we're going to do the same. We're going to grab that all the way down to there. Okay. Now, we can also right-click the background. That's what we want to look at. If you right-click on the background, properties, I'm going to use an image. I'm going to use my sky header. Click OK. And what that's going to do is it's going to put it there, and then you can vertical or horizontal. It's kind of scrunched, but for this, that's what we're going to use. Okay. Set to back. Send to back. Send to back. Send to back. So that I can get to the header. Okay, so what I did is basically I just deleted that information. So here's my picture. It's in the background. Now I'm going to start over. I'm going to do this again. I'm going to click there. I'm going to put a picture. I'm going to leave it alone. Click OK. I'm going to put it right here. Then I'm going to do it again. Bring my full name, my username, bold, left, center, word wrap, OK. And then I'm going to put it right here, all the way to the edge. I'm dragging and I'm dropping. Department, word wrap, bold, center. Click OK. Just like that. Now I've created the front. The back side, what I can do is I can go up here to ABC, and I can just drop it and drop it. Right click. I want the label properties, the text background. I want it to be white, or I can make it blue. Click OK. As you can see, it changes it. Right click, label properties, background color. I'm going to make it the same blue. Click OK. Right click, label properties, the text. So, you can put your address in here. Click OK. And that's the back of the card. Now I can make this bigger if I wanted to. There you go. Then we close here, and it shows us our card. Save it. Close. Go back to our card. We can assign this badge to somebody now. We're going to find contains test search test 34. Double click. Then we're going to go to picture, and we're going to go to card, and we're going to, badge layout. We're going to go to test 34, and then we're going to preview the badge. There's our information. This is our picture that we had put there for that. And then you can click print if you have a printer. Close and close and save.